Hi, my name is Ken Goad, and welcome to my video. This is hopefully the beginning of a series of videos that I would like to create and produce, basically to introduce you to me and my world and into my business. I have a business that's called Goad Creations Plus. Give you a little bit of background on Goad Creations Plus. I created it about 6-7 years ago. I'm not 100% sure when I started. But I started off making like soy-based candles, and I did that for about 2 or 3 years, and actually enjoyed it. Originally, the brand name, if you will, of my candles was called Angel Scents. I did a lot of sales through word of mouth. I really don't advertise. Even to this day, I still don't really advertise. And basically word of mouth through friends and things like that, and I picked up a lot of business. And from the candles, I moved on to a little bit of woodworking. Goad Creations Plus was really created, the name was really created as a spin-off of my brother's business, who does woodworking. My brother's name is Lee, and he created Goad Creations. And I have since taken that name, Goad Creations, and added the plus to it. And now I do t-shirts. And the main emphasis of my t-shirts is I use vinyl, and I basically 1 or 2 colors, whatever vinyl can do is basically what my t-shirts do. I have done some screen printing, but I have found that screen printing has a real knack to it. It takes some real talent, and quite frankly I just don't have the time at this moment to do a lot of screen printing. I can do spot colors, 1 or 2 colors, and that's about it. When it comes to multicolors and multiple screens and things like that, I've created a few of them, and I've tried and made, several attempts at t-shirts, and I haven't quite got it yet. But I decided to change my emphasis and go with the vinyl side. And and basically the purpose of this video is I've learned so many things about vinyl t-shirt making that are from videos of other people, and now I want to create videos, introduce you to me and my business and my world, and I want to kind of give back to the community. Those of you that would like to break into doing t-shirts similar to what I do, maybe you can pick up a few things from me, like I've done with others. Now, I've never followed one person's recipe of doing things. I kind of look at 2 or 3 or even 10 or 20 different videos and kind of combine a lot of what I've learned through that to do mine. Along with the t-shirts, I also do sublimation. I've sublimated a lot of products, from plaques. I do an awful lot of coffee mugs. I've even done license plates and things like that. I enjoy it. One day soon I'll have a video that'll show you all, or showcase the equipment I started with, the equipment that I've bought since then, and how I do the things that I do. So I'm looking forward to creating these videos. Now I've kind of ventured on a little bit further with a coworker of mine. We kind of collaborated a little bit. I want to create animated videos. My emphasis on the animated videos is to create a cartoon type music videos, what I call mock music videos. And the idea is to take a karaoke type of song that maybe I could sing, or I have somebody else sing a song, and I would create an animated character based on them or myself, and put them into an environment of a band, if you will, and I'd have some characters playing, hopefully the drums and keyboards, or rhythm guitar, bass guitar, different things like that. I want to use men and women both. So here's an ad for you. I will be looking for people that would be willing to allow me to use their likeness into my videos at some point, hopefully soon. But anyway, as I was looking at doing these things, and by the way, I'm still going to do my t-shirts and the sublimation products, but I collaborated with a coworker of mine. By the way, his name is Josh. I found Josh to be extremely intelligent. I'm very blessed to call him my friend. We've collaborated a lot. I have since I have the entire suite of Adobe products to help me create my videos. Everything from Photoshop to Illustrator to Character Animator to Premiere Rush. And I don't know if you can see the cat behind me, but he's a real pain sometimes. But anyway, when I started doing this, I realized that my PC is not robust enough to do the things that I want to do. I bought my PC about 5 years ago, and it's just a basic Lenovo all-in-one package. In other words, the PC is built into the monitor, and it was a good PC for its time. But since then, as I try to open up different software programs, I'm finding that they're shutting down or slows everything down. And in some cases, like I said, it literally just shuts off. Not the computer, but the software. So what I've realized is I'm not up to speed on today's technology with PCs. And so I'm started looking into a multimedia type PC, gaming PC, and I have decided that I'm going to build my own PC, and that's going to be the intro into my videos. I'm going to show you the components that I've purchased. I'm going to open up the boxes when I get everything in, and that'll be my next series of videos. And I'm going to show you the PC components that I purchased, and then I'm going to show you my build, and then I'm going to show you on firing it up, and hopefully I would be totally ecstatic if it worked on my first try. But I'm going to have you come in with me and help me and watch me, and hopefully we can do some collaboration, and you guys can criticize or be critical of how I make my videos and things like that. And by the way, I'm certainly not a professional on any level. Totally strictly amateur. I do have some lighting. I bought a nice camera. That was about a year or two ago when I really started thinking about doing videos, but I never quite got to what I really wanted to do. But I've decided I want to be serious about it. And like I said, the reason why I'm going to build my own PC is I started looking at boxed PCs that I could buy out of the box that would do what I want to do, and there are a lot of good ones out there. But the one that I was looking at, no matter what I did, it looked like all I could get was 8 gig of RAM, and it still had a nice video graphic accelerator card, whatever you want to call it. But out of the box, it was like $3,000, and it's like, gee, who in the heck could afford $3,000 for a computer just to do what I want to do? I mean, there are a lot of gamers out there that are serious gamers, and they use these types of machines, but I decided that I want to build my own, and what I found was I can build one including a monitor where the box one did not include a monitor. But by building my own PC, I can start off with 16 gig of RAM versus 8 gig and still be able to upgrade to a 64 gig if I want to in the future, which I will probably most likely do that. But my videos are going to start off showing you the components that I purchased, and then I'm going to show you my attempt of building it, and then hopefully without a whole lot of error and trials, I'll fire it up and start collecting the software that I currently have and getting it on that computer and things like that. So I look forward to going through all these things with you. Now I want to back up and talk a little bit about the animation side of things. I told you that I'm looking to bring on a partner. Actually, he and I collaborated together. Like I said, his name is Josh, and I'm very blessed to know him. He's very intellectual, he's intelligent, he's very ambitious, he's driven, and he's amazing to me. He's a younger guy, and he has a world of life experiences, and he just brings an awful lot to the table. And hopefully soon we'll be introducing Josh to you, and and you'll start seeing some of the produced videos that we'll be doing together. I'm not sure, we're not going to run it under Goad Creations Plus, I don't believe, but we're playing around with some ideas. But anyway, welcome to my channel, welcome to my videos, and like I said, this is nothing more than an introduction. And what you're going to find out about me is I'm a bit disorganized. Yeah, I could probably use a partner, meaning a life's partner, you know, to help me keep organized, to make me, you know, put me back at ground level, because I have these big budget dreams. I just don't have the budget. So, but my dreams are big. They're bigger than my pocketbook and or my wallet. I do work a full-time job. Like I said, I work in the shipping department. I work off hours. So my time is very limited, and time is very important to me. So, but welcome to my channel and welcome to my videos. I hope that you will like and subscribe and follow me and talk to me through the channel. And let's do some collaboration. Like I said, I'm going to make some series of first I'm going to start off with my PC build, and then I hope to branch into showing you how I do my t-shirts. I'll show you how to do my what I'm doing as far as coffee mugs and license plates and things like that at one point. I'll show you all the equipment I use and my dreams of the upgradable, the things that I want to upgrade to bigger and better, and hopefully we'll grow in this venture. And I want you to grow with me, and I want to get back to the community of those. There's so many videos out there on anything and everything that you can imagine. I'm sure you've run into those. And I thought, you know what, I can do this. So here I am. So thank you for watching, and I hope that we'll learn some things together. And like I said, very disorganized. I ramble a lot. The thing is, I'll go around the subject and I'll go off on a rant, and but promise you that I'll bring it back in. Okay, so hopefully I'll see you in the next video series. And I'm going to start with my PC build. I'm going to open up all my boxes in front of you and describe what I bought and what I think I want to do with that. And then we're going to go into my build, and then we'll go into actually putting the system together, software and things like that. And then hopefully we'll be introduced you to some of the first series of videos that we create. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.